Well, the weather has really improved. We're having a bit of a thaw, so take advantage of it. Let's cut some rocks and see what's inside. So here's the rocks that I want to cut. This one appears to have a seam that runs through it. Maybe a bit of silver hanging out there. A touch of nickeline there, the green stain. Here's an interesting one. I'm not sure what the brown is. Might be a form of calcite. And a thick vein, finger wide, that runs through it. But it's not especially heavy. This is very light. I'm not seeing much in the outside except perhaps right there. Just maybe a vein going, no, dirt. Alright, and then a really heavy rock. You can see the pink, which is urethorite or cobalt. Whatever it is, it's solid ore. We'll give that sucker a slice too. Let's see what's inside. So we're just cutting using a tile saw. We'll start with this rock.
What I was looking for, and my time was running wild, a million dead-end streets. Every time I thought I got it made, it seemed the taste was not so sweet.
Okay, almost nothing in that one. You can see a little bit of vein material. The smallest bit of lightning. Too bad. Okay, so this one, I actually see a tinge of green. If nothing else, should be nickeline in there. Hopefully some silver. That looks good. Oh yeah. See up in here? Kind of a coppery color. That's nickeline, and it looks to me like the rest is silver. That'd be nice to polish up. And here's the rock polished. You know, just a quick hand polish. You can see the dominant mineral is actually silver with just a touch of nickeline in one corner. The nickeline is kind of a coppery hue to it. You like? I like. Next up, this bad boy. I think we'll make the first cut somewhat wide. Maybe there. Give you a different angle on the picture. Isn't that interesting? Solid rock up in here. There's the vein material down there. It was just the end piece. Let's do the solid ore piece. It'll fit. Oh, it's close. And if I have to go up this way. If I run it through, I'm gonna hit. Guess that's why I've never cut this rock before. I'll wait till I get a bigger tile saw or get somebody else to do it. Let's find something else. Now this might be interesting. Not quite sure what I'm looking at. We'll only know when we open it up. Okay, that's a purdy rock. Pretty nice. I think that'll polish up. It's got a nice contrast, the black rock white calcite or dolomite. And here's this bad boy. You know, before, after. The dominant mineral is the silver. The white will be calcite. The black, I'm not sure, but it's just the host rock. You like? I like. I like a lot. This weekend of March, I'm going to actually have some silver on display at the Kawartha Rock and Fossil Club Mineral Show, which is in Peterborough. Hope to see you there.